Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand by Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Lupopo 1. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Ola Sithibo ngiyabonga mngani wami man esihlangane futhi man esho angiyibonga nale umbrella phansi kwale mvula ingikhumbuze ngiyi team yaseSoweto ngokubamba ama umbrella
Kosi
kodwa yi team nje inokusibambela umbrella la emasizini ilokhu ithi hayi this season we are coming ibambe umbrella zithi 25 December change itafula qhubeke le Sundowns ijwayele ukwenza ngakhona simangane sina 20 points so we the umbrella ngikhumbuza ezinye izinto
putting Jacob siyabona Pirates
nangazi Sithibo
ayibhakaniya
into the game Sithibo game memnandi Sithibo you know Sithibo I think ukuthi phakathi kwama Sundawana wonke deep down i-Champions League inendawo special enhlizweni zamaSandawana. Yeah, like it's you can tell man the ambience i-Sundowns medlala i-Champions League, the energy stadium, it was different. Like from the fans, the coaches, everyone, even the players, they showed up big time because even if it was Ilipopo, abanye undermine everything, but for the main fact that it's Champions League football, it shows what is Champions League football. The way everyone stadium, you could feel this game was emotional. Very, very emotional for everyone because Sundowns in a hunger, very hungry. Sundowns wants to win a CAF Champions League. There's that dying hunger from everyone. I mean, Sundowns can forgive losing everything else, but the Champions League they buy funa pants, and I feel that energy with Sundowns I funa CAF Champions League. So it shows but what also I enjoyed, Sithibo kunalento lena bathi iSundowns asadlala ibhola layo. You know, mangithi ngiyabheka there's a goal elikela korwa one of our legends, assist one of our legends uDaniel Motao, assist one of the players. Lela bhola lelana Sithibo kwenzakale lento enze uGrant Kekana versus iTX Galaxy. Grant Kekana ufake i-through pass walinikeza uRenas washaya cutback, mashaya cutback la Korwa Sales. If you can go down history lane, there's a assist ka Daniel Motao une assist akayenza exactly like that. And then count back to that question about Sundowns ayidlala ibhola layo. Look at the way Sundowns was playing today. Top notch, shine in piano. Miss Batonza Sithibo. I mean, the last dying minutes, last is for your corner. Umkhulisi, the way they were dancing ngebhola umkhulisi noMukwena baloko balithi mina ngibona indoda bayifaka phakathi kwerondo phakathi kwerondo alifuna bamfake phakathi kweseke bamfake phakathi kwetriangle amarondo, you know. I think wonke umuntu uphume a happy namhlanje and siyabonga ukuthi kuyo wonke ama-hardships akawafisile uCoach Kadoso since afikile kwiMamelodi Sundowns ukwazile ukumaintain abekezele ne-management nayo yambekezela nama-player nawo bambekezela and then bonke as a team, as a unit bazosibonisa ibhola elikanje. This is what we want as amafan eMamelodi Sundowns. These are the kind of games esifuna ukuzibona thina masisa la stadium and ngithanda ukubonga ama-Sundowns for coming out every game bazosupport iMamelodi Sundowns. The numbers are growing guys. Yes, asikhuli ngespeed separafina but the numbers are growing gradually, slowly we are getting there and ngiyabonga bafethu where they are change akubi nani but nikwazile ukuze stadium. There was this other time I was shocked ukuthi it was a midweek game ngibona ama numbers nemoto eziningi zizile la of stars. I was like Mamelodi Sundowns siza kahle ma supporter, so mina ngiyanibonga bafethu for today man of the match yama ma support Mamelodi Sundowns for coming to a game ngama numbers. Yeah, you guys nenze kakhulu nokucula kwenu, you kept the team going. I mean, I like the energy that you were showing. I mean, even if team iphansi you continue singing and into esiplayayo ukuthi bafethu masene stadium so bolani Sundowns niculele team ayidlala hayi bafethu thina manje we last game yethu yango 2025 at home siyaphuma manje ama passport are ready bafethu siya international. Sizwile ke ukuthi abanye ngathi babhayizisekile ama case wabo ama backdoor awahambanga kahle. Hayi siyabonga for support basibukele TV. Abekho bodwa neNigeria nayo izabibukela World Cup TV. Yeah, abekho bodwa. Bazabambana nje babambisane kanjalo. Yeah, ibenjalo. No Sibo, this last point too before ngikhohlwa it is about coach it is about coach Rulani and coach coach Faklu Davids. Sibo, I'm hearing a lot of noise about coach Rulani and his achievements, and my question is, what has coach Rulani achieved outside Mamelodi Sundowns? What has coach Rulani achieved outside Mamelodi Sundowns? Angeke Sibo sizobhaza kuma social media, sizobhaza ema-radioini about 7 games coach Rulani akazwinile. I mean, we are talking about MC Alger. MC Alger is the Mamelodi Sundowns, yes, Algeria. So it's used to winning 7 games in a row. We're talking about coach Faklu Davids. Coach Faklu Davids uthathe iSimba wayishiya kwi final ye-CAF Confederations Cup last season. Coach Faklu Davids has been delivering, but I don't see abantu abaningi bakhuluma ngocoach Faklu Davids. Angazi ukuthi maybe Coach Faklu Davids is not the sign of the soil enough. Angazi ukuthi yini emenza ukuthi angabi enough sign of the soil coach Faklu Davids, because what has he been achieving outside South Africa coach Faklu Davids? I think by far ama-colors ka coach Faklu Davids compared to Rulani outside Mamelodi Sundowns, they are far better. Even namasibuya la South Africa, you look at what coach Faklu Davids mekayenza ngeMaritzburg United, ngabondlovu, ngaboMakaring. Every Friday eMaritzburg we knew Fridays at Maritzburg ipola liyashisa, whether you Mamelodi Sundowns, whoever you are, moya eMaritzburg on a Friday uzothola induku, whether you are Pirates or Chiefs, moya eMaritzburg uzothola induku. Getting a point or 3 points eMaritzburg usasekhona coach Faklu Davids eMaritzburg was something else. A lot of players coach Faklu Davids owalethile la ku-PSL abayi something. You look at Undlovu, even namanje the kind of quality Undlovu akanayo, it's a rare breed, and simazi ngobani coach Faklu Davids. How many players esikhuliswe coach Rulani esisibonayo kwamanye ama-team outside lama player la akathole la ku-Sundowns? Awekho bafethu, asibe neqiniso bafethu. Coach Faklu Davids deserves his flowers. He's far better than Rulani Mokwena.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?